Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add paid channels to your Tata Sky account. Open your favorite browser, go to mytatasky.com, click on Existing Customer button. Now click on Go to My Account button. Enter your subscriber ID or registered mobile number. Click on Continue. If you know the password, enter it here, or else select OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone and click on Continue. Click on Manage Pack. Click on Explore all packs and channels. Click on Show More to see the list of all channels you have subscribed. To add more channels to your account, click on Modify Pack. Now go to Channels section and click on the plus icon. Now click the plus icon next to your favorite subsection. Click on Show More to see the list of all channels in this subsection. Select the channels you want to add. Now click on Select and Proceed. As you can see, we have added few more channels to our Tata Sky account, and our monthly subscription cost is also changed accordingly. Click on Confirm to proceed. That's it, you have successfully changed your package. This is how you can add paid channels to your Tata Sky account.